Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to install and start Elasticsearch 8.9 version with custom user as the owner of the process. Prerequisites for this tutorial is to have virtual machine manager, whether it's a Parallels, VirtualBox or VMware or any other that works for you. You are going to use Elasticsearch 8.9.1 exact version as a document database with built-in security on the Rocky Linux 9.2, which is Linux open source distribution, successor of CentOS. Here I will show you how to run Elasticsearch as a system service with custom user as a process owner, because as a default the process owner is a user Elasticsearch, which is created when the Elasticsearch is installed using RPM package. So this I will show you how to change, how to use your own user to run Elasticsearch. You will find Rocky Linux distribution on rockylinux.org webpage/download. Here choose the minimal version according to your platform and start installation process. I'm choosing the English language here and I'm creating the root passwords, like simple one, and then I'm creating the user that I will use later on to run Elasticsearch with. I'm confirming the disk and start the installation. Once installation is done, I need one reboot. Right here, reboot system. Once system is reloaded, then I can log in using terminal. Switch to legacy policies to verify RPM packages with key provided by Elasticsearch. Then add Elasticsearch repo and update package manager. Accept all the questions that will come. So the package manager will update all the dependencies. Once it's done, run the installation. It's like -y install, enable repo Elasticsearch with Elasticsearch version. Elasticsearch is installed. For your own convenience, set up Java Home. Here, write this new file under the etc profile D that will load whenever you are logging in, and this specify the Java Home. To disable swap that is not good at all for Elasticsearch, comment out any line that contain the swap. Then save the changes and run mount -a to reload. To limit resources for a newly created user that will run Elasticsearch, create the file under etc security limits.d and specify limits for number of processes, for memory and for file size. Create your custom data location. This is not necessary, but you might like it. Then create this new file under etc systemd system elasticsearch.service.d. This is specification of the service when there is a definition of a user and group that will own the service, the process, an important line to change ownership of catalog /var/run. And this require another file, because after reboot this ownership will be lost, so that's why you need the template that will keep the /var/run catalog to be owned by Tom D. Secondly, modify Elasticsearch YAML file. This is the configuration for Elasticsearch. As a default, there is a /var/lib Elasticsearch catalog that is used to store Elasticsearch data. To add your custom catalog, replace that value with your custom location. Remember escaping slashes. Type file name, run this set command, and verify the results. With default installation, the owner of all catalogs will be Elasticsearch as a user and group Elasticsearch. To change that, run chown command and provide new user and group. Once again open elasticsearch.yaml file, which is configuration for Elasticsearch. Here change cluster name to your custom name of cluster. Change your node name to your custom node name, uncomment bootstrap log, and specify explicitly IP for host, which actually changing the mode from development to production. Set up cluster initial master nodes and save file. Reload daemon and then enable the service Elasticsearch by typing systemctl enable elasticsearch.service. This will create symlink so you can start Elasticsearch. To check the status, type service Elasticsearch status. So it will show you whether the Elasticsearch is started, is active, is green. When you check processes of Elasticsearch, you can see that the new user is the owner of that process. To connect to Elasticsearch cluster, first step will be to reset Elasticsearch password. So type command Elasticsearch reset password, specifying the Elastic user, which is built-in user, built-in super user with interactive mode, so you can provide your own password. Type your own password twice and it's done. Once password is set up, you can run the curl command. For that, use a certificate, the CA certificate, which you can find under etc Elasticsearch certs catalog. Use that location for the CA cert parameter. Specify the user Elastic for a connection and type xget as a REST type, HTTPS localhost, port default one, and cluster/half with pretty in order to have a nice printout as a response. Enter your password and you have an Elasticsearch with status green up and running. Now you are successful. You have learned how to install Elasticsearch, how to customize settings to have custom user, how to switch to production mode, and how to change password for Elastic user. Finally, connect to cluster using curl client. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.